story me chao Takataka o chakema no puratie I Copenhagen I Denmark kamana ti timu ye masters mamega at university nenye Aalborg University mati Copenhagen. And amar kere jo mi Denmark gi gwaroke code lokom yugi waste management ma kai worry the streets baby no coach mano dano bayata. So Madugu gang in 2016 during the summer break, ikinedwe ma abichel gini aberatamo ki Uganda kan ngomara mo timune muwero kabermo rumwa oloto onen mabe ki yada chalo Denmark gina wero jemi gi wor maber twal pien gitiki resources mitimu la kurije men chata mo kan waramo timo using the locally available resources. I mean mi wero kabermo rumwa oben maber pe miata dak ni ko ibet ki chene madi tutwal. So madu gin man neno mi achel ma no ni mi awachakere en yemani lotam padano ilok modu ikom yugi. So ayabo organization mo keloni Afri-Green Sustain. Ma teach pa Afri-Green Sustain no beromemi lok kilwa timu outreach programs chere schools ma pat lok kilotiano kwan about lokom yugi kifonyo gi keremi lako yugi odu resources kifonyo gi keremi poko yugi ay pol karani I Uganda ki logo mukene young Africa kind dan pe mar poko yugi like yugi wenke kero kachel plastic cham jemene wenke kero kachel. So atamani kawa chao kienuni oloto obukonyo milo tampa dano ilokom yugi. So what team only or mabe then in 2017 mando da tiro masters I met initially na Tifonyi University, Gulu University. So I met Tifonyi Gulu University and aspect I better point computer science ki IT but no da tiki chui money mitemolo Gulu ilokom yugi. So with opportunity me for university, I better engaging the Tiano Kwan from different departments, computer science, agriculture. I better engaging in developing innovative solutions around waste. Katiki dieromo mi luanikom loki yugi iguluki kabermurumwa. Then anyway, actually 2017, la megachel monye page Balcom. Kwano university mo I America makeloni UC Berkeley, University of California Berkeley. So I am in Uganda no titi mo research around lokom yugi but yugi mano tika focusing on and yugi me plastic and our main focus was on PET coach chupa ki coach pig ni pien enuni yamadom permadom dilala Uganda kan pien value pa coach enuni tilla painful. So mo beno referring en Bora University kwani gin mighty timoni tie volumoni gulukain mabeti ki interest ye obera yele ki projects mo matiano tiano. So mo beno waloro then waloro lokmo do com research matiti nani abera mine highlights mo about paramati gulukain lokom plastic then on the US. Then again in 2018, towards the end of 2018, ngarumo moramo te gulukan. Amane Peter gin mai tetimoni Pierre Terpol tie la megomo US ma tetim research around the same area. Chapen la megana nyanga. Chwania nye page Balcom. Oh, I've ever met her. Warate kere karamoni mo bin katim research kan. So yada page da kodugo 2019 and wachao tikachel. Whereas initiative maya mi actually African Sustain tika focusing yugi when categories by yugi mapapa ni wawani wati wayop like pi gini coach soda gini kavera gini chi ada kilo tiano kwan mugumano da cha ka engaging meeting research around that area, make article innovative solutions around that area. Wacha kotika chiel kere since I'm researching around the same area. So what Tamanika was developing machines can better be loyal kake importing machines. Actual machines more developing can then wele can you willa no mirinya well more the may willa ni kingwen nya well more you can make can kingwen yare willa kiwa yeah wacha to tamomot fortunately Faculty of Agriculture, Department of Biosystems Engineering, go ye ni watiki space gini may developing some of our equipments. So we're developing la reg chumamo la reg plastic mangolo into pieces. Any no pay di gulolo and paying or my camano you Uganda kind. Ma Coca-Cola no giti kereni go willa kiwa. So you make one more material and oberwai proof of concept. What you mabe chiwa you machine mukene la line plastic small scale obera yele waworo di gulukan watiuki geometric fabrication workshops di gulukan bene but mano gete developing gini wameno gi that's how wachabo takataka plastics. Yeah, so that is briefly. Then mawachao watimu market survey wawa ni products anga maro katika plastics ni products yema do makarama katika but wana ni the construction industry in Uganda kan tilamal full industry tilamal it's market tilamal so why any work we're concentrating on construction materials and given the fact that Gulu bene chacha ko Bubero city so any nyura teni level migero idigulu kan obomete. So what market survey and we're realizing ni tiles, wall tiles, chuke tilamal. So chawe when wall tiles and in other countries, you can make wall tiles from plastic. Ero one mamekwani watamani wa European plastic ma ongayadano and PET category of plastic peloni PET chalo code pop gini kavera gini yeah so wayibo fortunately wayibo our tiles of Fatima be ma what time at tests mukene were contacting BS and yeah we are going through the process making sure that we're recruiting. We have staff for 2 of our engineers, full-time engineers. TL Dan Mago on Gulu University, and Mago mobile systems engineering, like chemical engineer, our mechanical engineer. But before we became official this year. But before that, go better in the research. So Mano, we finally registered as a company limited by guarantee. We recruited them. Denmark, we were now in the process of building like machines madak down carmeni mon material ma yoni mano what you designs are not here. So our target wala duguno and construction materials chalo tiles ki jema papa but it we ma deck ma corona otuch imege for hardware shops mano our materials keloro and local importation like for giving kind of team our mirror importing chalo heaters no don pelare in closing the airport so why ne mando matinu wa bera ko wa ke yabo yo waramo tinu gima chi watama why ne wanted to look on plastics and for gem madda target you can protective gears shallow face shields ke plastics. So whatever, what point make my can material office material plastic, whatever prototyping. I mean, our team is very innovative. Team for volume, we get tilamal, get my speed. So whatever can bucket money, we're gonna bucket what will no chupa soda money madoni, me cocky. Wangala wakubugi kachel oti one official but no kati maber twal. So we kept on, it took us more than 10 days. We kept on watamuki materials watamuki materials mapat wayibo whatever body were no feedback until some point mando wano makome mando do tiu maber mata tari when go for map wayibo kitchen handmade. So mada foil the man no chawo dula malo wa wine ka meta ki handmade nini chi we were better in position to sustain geometry. And besides the handmade ones, no getiki portion more me cushion like sponge. Ma any neuroni meraketi ke kichelekan. Chiwa wine ti jemi kichalo Takataka plastics. Bamiero jemo mandano bolo pedao yugi ti kere meta kiti kere kituni closing lemon closing the loop. Gimoi can me apopet yugi dami meta kiti kere. So yeah, now I'm on it here. You solutions to facials and she on a market. She had no any gal. What romotic Chelsea were no solution that baby. Yeah, so till machine mama gamma keyboard nearly. She were medical machines ma one titi kani. She watch out you confessions economy like reusable. It you can one and one. So what better again innovative? Why any facials what you connected that but in health facilities or the Buchalo Lachogi referral hospital clinics Matiano plastic don't folio she will identify plastic any drip bottles code one market you can repeat from down what chow metal to a while wagam you give a journey why you kick him out to a dwaki go to carry wagamo use our machines were shredding one into pieces. Watemo, uteroniano maramo, de mitemo mitichen plastic and teach pepe your. Yeah, so watemo facials or Tioma we took back to these guys in the hospitals, go for it. And kire what you kere what you teach closely ki hashtag Gulu. Hashtag Gulu tie CBO mo ma ako founding. Akonye yabone imwara alibario ka para biro. Initially kero yab gashta gul no me tie just group rem wanoni kawalo kilo tiana street kawanyu to gima money chi ramon lao tamgi bedak lao tam members of the community ke gitam ke komki. So we've been working with them. So Timu Kilutianoni, besides just Java and coaching Chikelo ne our center, we have actually employed them. Like ever since we're charged with the facials, we're employing them Ghana Beero, and they're the ones doing the production. They're the ones doing our production. We're training them, running machines and we're taking staff some kind of monitoring again. What they make a teacher and a moment of air full. Fortunately, it was very easy for us because after Gulu was setting up, Corona was setting up a shelter at former Gusco, Waloroki district. So they gave us that space and so we set up a shelter and Gamoluti and Maramo Piera Beach, Key Streets. Both boys and girls, can you interact with them and what may give vocational skills? So a bare morning, we're identifying can you, yeah. I mean, get it in my bag, mama. So I mean, get teach and we are paying them a teacher every day and get to shifts are mukanati ediche mukanati do. But if you live a parioni, wallo get we challenge your maulo to yam so I have scheme my comali vaparion every day ngarachela chel saving aliva bero 7,000. The idea is even after this project kadom go we teach about wa olotono tiki kiane mo magiramo yabo ki kwa kirigo wa teach about wa and surprisingly mago bero saving aliva bero ni after 1 week he can go wine ikoma liva bija pin mami ago noni give me a dark saving so go yabuka lulu mokane like every Friday gi saving ali piario but to like give them a push and inspire them one key engineer as well all the staff join that kalulu and me ali piario and they're doing pretty well. And the other thing is okay new to give the products magiti yugone face shields chalo lawo watero lera Mukande Makere University team yarone even the Virus Research Institute Kampala watero yugi mi Gulu watero ne wa Kampala digi wa bicharo ke gum kay nyurugi nen kongin maw yoboni Dr. Riti Karone it kind of restores that lost no go losing or equal gitamani kongi don't pay but kagone go so kara I'm still very important and I can do a lot of things. Yeah, so that's how we've been working. But so for now, because our main target was construction materials. So we're creating 2 units. So tier unit achiel mado concentrating mineno manufacture of medical equipment and face shields guinea. Then unit achiel tier magefuti medical research magwa any local construction materials. Ma last week wayo gemo ma pageno kangaru mo ikani wilo bano tamo yobane a tile out of wayo tile mo and ki coach papapi lawo maja abero ka experimenting and ki tile no nyondo mo chako chanyo ne chanyo kwe petu chanyo kwe ngarmo ronda ni ai plastic mata chanyo me ki no tu chanyo kwe ma video na tikere abi posting karmo yeah so we only Takataka plastics and key yele matikere di Gulu.
Okay, no, thank you. Gee, Ben, and then recently, maybe you have won a prize from Stanford University. I'm gonna look a bit about that, Ben.
Yeah, we're winning prize more. Kelowni Stanford Global Energy Heroes. Ma Stanford Global Energy Heroes nano initiatives wilobolu magiti temo teach me achiel makonyo me reducing carbon footprint makonyo me reducing emission to the atmosphere yamo marachi ma chero atmosphere ni initiatives makonyo lokom lwenykom yugi initiatives ma miyo teach Makedoni green jobs so it was a tough one applicants were full all over the world and yeah initially no particular then one tikikero we time guinea so we're applying and we're pitching like ngomati timone and kirwati konyoke and jeme magti miaronani then we qualified for the next round. In the next round, we're better interviews. Yeah, what you mabe team what mabe what you mabe chi keyerwa teams at deck for that prize ma ikom team achiel make me dollars PRO $20 ali PRO $20,000 US dollars. Then that bene to Stanford summit mommy otimekuno magitful malutela were presenting be an opportunity me meeting jomugumaromo menwa tam jomugumaromo menwa resources chalo more funds me developing further our initiative. Yeah, and unfortunately, Guinea no buried my beach that summit, but because of Corona, kept pushing, and Nianone mechanically announcing later. Yeah, then we're winning them competitions. Madudu, TM1, organized by some sort of an entrepreneurship competition. Ma wabero nambario, and we're winning here. I live a beach, dollars. I live a beach. Then because it teachwa. Co-founder naturally Daro and what you keep we are inclusive. Atiuki mon, kicho weng, kituni. Waki Gulu, we're making sure nije mineti won mabe Gulu. Ko won mabe Gulu, wabi yabo in major towns in Uganda and even expand to other countries in East Africa.
Okay. And in terms of your future plans, so we've talked about maybe moving to different towns, but in terms of the product, Mama Uyubu, are you looking at other products, Mama Uyubu, in future?
Yeah. We are looking at bow in the near future. Bow out of plastic. Lemon keloni lamba, plastic lamba. Polkarani lokomolo yen di actually kan tilamal poli di actually kan ko Uganda do pol yen down to you can migero mi you come mi you mecha gini but wano ni kawa no yomo mi you and mecha gini and bow market you can mi you come for take exploring but you jemi chalo well favors wana watu wanchura na wana contribution epetima di tutual when it comes to konyo plastic mati ikimping because kaiti yo pebal no da mere mixing ki kweo ki sand so wata wa you giving mati purely plastic challenge tiles in challenge bow muma me plastic ya kijema pari then also since now we're realizing need for art getting equipments mado market you plastics market you kare that is another thing our victim wabinano yanyim then yanyim bene watamani piwa bibero kanano kom yugi me plastic again but yugi mapapat chalo yugi cham gini may no pongi chokatani waramon no dano wabero kachelu brainstorming chiwa no solution then wamero benero lokom konyo yubu low cost energy like ma wele petit lamal tutual ma maybe chalo mon choki romotic me running maybe the refrigerators and but that is in the future but for now like pimwarabe anyim adega big anyim pole when we better on the construction materials and how we can penetrate other districts and other countries.
Okay. And then finally, when you interview and Guakimiro finding out more or Jimiro getting involved somehow, what's the best way for them to like get in touch?
Yeah, Facebook page Takataka. Our handle is Takataka Plastic. Then Instagram, what Takataka Plastics. Then our website, www.takatakaplastics.com. Then to info@takatakaplastics.com. Then kangarmo to Uganda kanyo tigulu mamiero bini office minaro ngoma titim I ramo bino keluoni Elefante Commons any no keluoni Elefante Commons T between SOS primary SOS Children's Village Pondano ngeo ki nyine ganga omoro so what is located Kenya it's opposite Police Primary School. I'm gonna team on +256 780 177 969.
Okay, and Genabitimo, Abikero link under underneath the video. I will put all the links there so that should also help people in terms of getting in touch.